Let's begin. I'm continuing with the topic. So last time we saw what is was the variation here. In that we were having two parts. One was the direct variation. Now second, what we are going to learn that is called as inverse variation. The working will be that is called as inverse variation. So here how we will be writing it this way: x is inversely proportional to y. What does this mean? The concept as usual I just told you, when x is up, x is increasing, y will be decreasing. When x is decreasing, y will be increasing. These are the variables. It may be, you can call it a b, anyway, p, q, anything. So how with the with this demand supply, you can, the best example is of demand and supply. Uh, Demand and supply. It is related. If demand is more, if demand increases, more supply is expected. But and if supply is less, its demand is more and supply is less. What happens, what happens? The expenses, it costing increases, cost of product increases. Remember, this is the best example, practical example. This is the part where we work with the variation, inverse variation. The things are inversely proportional. So we'll go on. Now the statement mathematically just will be considering variables x and y here. So this will be as x and y are inversely proportional. So here we will get a formula where x into y is constant. You can say x, y is equal to k. Last time the k was a constant of proportionality, yeah, variation, sorry, not proportionality, constant of variation. Yeah. And you will be writing this in a formula, in the way. How will be writing this? You will be written in this way. X is inversely proportional to y. So this is how the method of writing will be there. So as usual, this x into y is constant here, and this xy will be equal to k. That will be another part, and as a result it will be writing x inverse where is inverse is 1. Let's go ahead now. Now this is a table given a value, b value, a times b, that is equal to k. That will be your k. Now if 620 and 120, now this will be your k here. This is your k, right? This is your k you will be having here. 6 into 6 times 20, it is 6 times 20. So that the k will be your 120. So k is a constant, that is going to remain fixed here. It will be 120 over here, it will be 120 over here, right? Now if we'll go with this part here, as usual, if it will consider 12. Now 12, if we'll go with 12, now let's go for 12 and 20. So 120, I'll get here, I'm getting 120 a into b, 6 times ab. A times b is equal to 120. So here the value of a is given, so I'm replacing a with 12 here. 12 times b is 120. So 120 divided by 12, that will be, you'll be getting 10 here. So final value will be 10. So 12 times 20, if you go with the product, you can analyze this. 12 times 10 is 120. Now similarly here, a is again 15. So you can divide. I'll just write in this way. So 120 upon 15. So that will be your, this one, that is 8. 8 will be the value for b here. So b here you will be getting here 8. Right? So 15 times 8, 15 and 8, the product is 120. Now 4, 120. Again, 120 upon 4. That will be, what is 120 upon 4? That will be 30. So 30 times 4 is 120. So here we are calculating value of A. That is 30 using this formula. And add 30 times 40 is 120. So this is what the final we are getting from the inverse variation. Now let's go for one more example. Part is that this is, if you observe this part, f is inversely proportional to d square. I can say f is inverse. What does this mean? It means that f is inversely proportional to d square here. So from this we can say f will be equal to k times d square. So I'll be writing in this way, k upon d square. What is this part? Getting idea? K will be variation, constant for variation. Now if you will consider this d, what is the d here? D is already given here, that is 5. F is already given, that is your 18. So as a result, d square, what will be d square now? Let's write d square here. First we'll calculate and keep it as it is. D square will be equal to here 25 there. So got this one? So d square will be equal to 25. So you'll be getting it this way, d square equals 25. D is equal to 5. Now we'll solve the further example. Now we have to find, first part will be what is a k here? What is k? So just we'll be calculating k. In another way, let's so k will be equal to here f times d square. So k will be k is equal to what is f now? F is 18. This is first we'll be considering this value is 18 value. 18 times 25. So k will be calculating k here. Just multiply. We'll be taking the product of this. Product of this 18 times 25. That is 450. 29, sorry, that will be 450 there. So when we are getting here 450 as your k, the value what you got for the k. And after getting that value, now let's go another way. Now we'll be considering this first part. D. What is first part? D is given as 10. Question is find F value. What is F? So if D is 10, then I'm calculating here K 450. Plugging this K value in this equation. No, I'm just plugging this K value in this equation. So as a result, we'll be getting 450 is equal to how much? Uh, F we have to calculate, and D square is 25. That just we found. Right. Right. So F times 25. So F will be equal to 450 divided by 25. That will be equal to just very easy. You can guess that is 18 now. The answer 18. So value of F, what we got? Frequency F is equal to 18. This is the final part. What is first part? Let's go for second. I'll erase this. So K will remain as it is in second part or second sector. What they have explained or they are asking. When F is second part, when F is 50, here the F is given. F is equal to 50. What is the value of D? What is the value of D there? That is part there. So let's use the formula again. The K is as usual, K is 450. That is equal to F50 times D square. Okay. Uh, 50 times D square. Now D square is we are not aware of this. We'll be writing D square here. I'm taking D square, not D. You'll be considering this values equation D square. So plugging the values is 15. This is what the value we are plugging. This is F. I'm plugging this value over here, value of 50 over here. So 450 upon divide by, okay, sorry, I'll write properly here. 450 divided by 50 is equal to D square. So therefore, I'm getting D square is equal to 9. So what will be D now? Naturally, D will be 3 here. I'll write over here. I change the color for understanding. What will be D now? D will be 3. Okay. So as a result, you are getting a D here. That is value of D will be 3. Okay. Right? So finally we got a D equals 3 as a final value here. D equals 3. Okay. As square root of 9 here. D square we got 9. So D is equal to 3. So this is what we calculate the calculation, the inverse variation how we got along with the example. Okay, thank you.